Hello everyone, I am Dr. Monica Pansari, a senior surgical oncologist in Fortis Hospital, Bangalore. I mainly deal with breast and gynec cancers. Today we are going to discuss about gynecological cancers. How do we diagnose gynec malignancies? The investigation and confirmation of gynec cancers varies with the symptoms and the presentation. Mostly what we do is that if a patient has come to us with bleeding or postmenopausal bleeding, a transvaginal scan or pelvic scan is the initial or preliminary test what we offer. And for tissue diagnosis, that is the confirmation whether it is cancerous or non-cancerous, we'll have to offer a biopsy. It could be if the growth is in cervix, then we do the pelvic examination, punch biopsy from the cervical growth. That is what is offered. If it is something which is suspicious of uterine cancer or endometrial cancer, then patient has to undergo either dilatation and curettage and endometrial biopsy or hysteroscopy guided biopsy. These biopsy procedures will confirm the tissue diagnosis whether the lesion is cancerous or non-cancerous. After having the tissue diagnosis done, then your oncologist will offer you certain imaging, could be MRI pelvis, to know the staging of the cancer. Many times if there is suspicion of advanced malignancy, you might be offered to undergo PET-CT scan as well to know the exact stage of your gynec cancer. So this is the preliminary workup for any gynec cancers. Again, as I mentioned, it depends on the specific organ of origin. For example, for cervical cancer, there will be different set of workup which we are going to do. For uterine or endometrial cancer, there will be different set of investigations which you have to undergo. For ovarian cancer, there will be different set of investigations which you'll have to undergo. So this is how we decide what gynec cancer has to be evaluated in which fashion. But in general, your tissue diagnosis and imaging are the mandatory part of our evaluation before we offer you any treatment. Thank you.